Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto your Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and upload a video onto your Cardco website to showcase whichever video you have on YouTube. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Cardco website. Next, you're going to click on this plus icon and then click on where it says video. Once the video element appears, you can see that when I highlight it, it says video. Click on video, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and copy and paste your YouTube video link, or you can actually upload a video. So if you click on upload, you'll need to actually be with the Pro plan in order to upload a video, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upload a video onto your Cardco website. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.